And we're back to learning Photoshop in year day 332. Let's talk about the type preferences. We've got a couple of options. First up, the small quotes. This simply automatically converts straight quotes into typographic curly quotes. Only turn it off when you're coding or you need plain text formatting, otherwise keep it checked. Enable missing glyph protection. This prevents Photoshop from displaying blank squares when a font doesn't support certain characters. I have that checked too. Then show font names in English. Only turn it off when you prefer having the fonts labeled in your native language. Then use escape key to commit text. So pressing escape will confirm your text instead of cancelling it. By default, I believe it's checked too. Then set default font size automatically. Only turn it off when you always want a fixed starting font size. Otherwise, Photoshop will adjust the default font size based on the document resolution and size. It's a good idea to have that checked too. Enable type layer glyph alternatives. It's the only one that's unchecked for me. When you turn it off, this allows access to alternate character styles. So for example, swashes, stylistic sets, ligatures, stuff like that. For logo design, it might make sense to check that even for typography work. But if you don't use alternate characters that much, you can easily have it turned off. Then fill new type layers with placeholder text. That's the lorem ipsum text that appears when you create a new text element if you don't want that, and turn it off. And then the automatic detection of bulleted and numbered lists while typing. This automatically formats text into bullets and numbered lists when you type. I would recommend having that checked too. Only turn it off when it interferes with your formatting style. And that's rarely the case, so keep it checked. And finally, we have this number option for recent fonts to display. This controls how many recently used fonts appear at the top of the font dropdown. I believe the default is actually 10, so I just kept it there. It doesn't bother me, but you can set the number right here. And these are the type preferences in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.